How to compress a PDF file. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can convert or compress the size of a PDF file. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is only open any web browser of your choice. So as you can see, I have opened the Google Chrome. Then the next thing that you will need to do is simply search for iLovePDF. Now once you have successfully searched for iLovePDF, you will come across a website like this. So click onto this iLovePDF option, and from here you will see different types of options that you can perform on PDF. Now the third option might be compress PDF. This reduces file size while optimizing for maximal PDF quality. So click onto compress PDF and then click onto this select PDF file button in order to choose the PDF file that you want to compress. So from here, as you can see, I have these three different PDF files. Let me choose this 156 kilobyte PDF file that goes by this name. So let me click onto this, and now you can see that the sample file has been loaded, which is of 150 kilobyte. So simply click onto this compress PDF option, and now you can see that from 150 kilobytes it has been successfully converted to around 70 kilobytes. Click onto this download compressed PDF button and your PDF file will be successfully downloaded. So you can see the file has been successfully downloaded like this. So that's how easily you can convert any particular PDF file into a smaller PDF size. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.